Hey guys, I'm here with this first mukbang. Yeah, don't know if I have a good microphone for this, but let's get into it.
Damn it! What are you up to, Dad?
Okay guys, let's get it going.
It's time I got back to work.
Oh, I should probably turn that video.
This time.
We got some ham, and we got some peas, sweet peas. Hey man, I do a seafood boil like with the shrimp, crab legs, lobster. I'd really do that, but can't afford it.
I won't get it!
Good shit, man. Oh yeah, Jay Evans in the building. You already know how we're going down. No food shit, all boo boo. Mukbang first time. Drop a like, drop a sub. Might as well go and share this bed. Well, I look so nice today. Green pants, orange shirt, so nice today. We have Turks today. Hey man, no fault. You see, we got that 7-Eleven reward. We got that pay.
What are you up to, Chuso?
We can't trust our superiors anymore!
Juan! You better start talking, Dad. I can't tell anyone what it is. Ever. Not even my own son. You're leaving it like this? Well, hurry up! Ren! It's your dad, man! You can't push him away like this!
I don't really have that professional camera.
Voting is easy, and you can go out and vote today.
Got my iPhone SE camera.
There's no better time to make your voice heard. Look up your polling place now. I can't take this shit anymore. I've asked you all to this meeting today for one reason. To find out which one of us is the traitor.
On that day, it looked to me as if the Master were controlling the flames.
Surely he's not behind this. That's insane. The fact is, if he wasn't involved, he'd be here trying to figure out who was.
Going to Congo Shinzan in the morning and make Dad tell me what's going on.
KT. I don't really got my hot griddle either. What I seem to have. I have my laptop here. My ham there. Up the chopper. Oh. Camera trouble. Up the chopper. Flick the monster.
Thing is, we thought maybe something came up at the meeting you were at. Because all the senior exorcists in charge of security were told the director wanted to see them ASAP. And this is happening now.
I'm gonna grab a bit more mukbang material. Tune in daily.
I'll go find the director and talk to him.
Key to the field office. What's he suddenly going there for?
My mukbang inspirations include NES, Ness, Asmar, B-Loves, Tight Elo, and Sass Asmar. Y'all heard that? My sister just got home.
What happened here? What the hell are you up to, Chuso?
Oh, what's up, guys?